Hello friends, my name is Satyam. Today we are going to discuss Civics chapter 2. It will have 25 questions. The first question is, how many major religions are there in the world? The answer is 8. Every single religion from the major 8 religions is practiced in India. That is why India is called secular country. The next question is, how many languages are spoken in India? The answer is more than 1600. The next question is, how many dance forms are there in India? The answer is more than 100. The next question is, dash mean judging others negatively or seeing other people inferior. The answer is prejudice. When we think that only one particular way is the best and right way to do things, we often end up not respecting others who may prefer to do things differently. The next question is, fixing people into one image is called dash. The answer is stereotype. Stereotypes stop us from looking at each person a unique individual with his or her own special qualities and skills that are different from others. The next question is, a common stereotype about dash is that they are not interested in educating girls. The answer is Muslims. This is just a stereotype because studies have now shown that poverty amongst Muslims is an important reason for not sending girls to school. The next question is, what happens when people act on their prejudice or stereotypes? The answer is discrimination. The next question is, who drafted the Indian Constitution? The answer is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Prem Bihari Narayan Rayajada was an Indian calligrapher who handwrote the original constitution. The next question is, for what purpose did Ambedkar go to England? The answer is to become a lawyer. The next question is, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar belonged to which caste? The answer is Mahara. Since Mahara caste was considered as untouchable, later in life Dr. Ambedkar converted to Buddhism in his search for a religion that treated all members equally. The next question is, where is Koregaon located these days? The answer is Maharashtra. The next question is, when did India become a free nation? The answer is in 1947. On 15th August 1947, India became a free nation. The next question is, the word Dalit means dash. The answer is broken. This word shows how social prejudices and discrimination have broken the Dalit people. The next question is, according to government, Dalit are dash. The answer is scheduled castes. The next question is, who delivered the speech on the eve of independence? The answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The next question is, the weaker and backward section of the society are protected by the dash. The answer is state. The next question is, in which state there is less distance between home and school? The answer is Kerala. Government also provide good bus service for teachers and students to reach school. The next question is, name the first leader of India who shared his first experience of caste-based discrimination. The answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. Ambedkar shared his first experience of caste-based discrimination, which took place in 1901 when he was just 9 years old. The next question is, children with special needs are no longer called dash. The answer is disabled. The next question is, Mahara means dash in Bombay Presidency. The answer is untouchable. The next question is, it is dash of all persons that give equal opportunities to all. The answer is equality. Equality means treating everyone equally in society, irrespective of their caste, creed, color, sex, etc. The next question is, dash is abolished from our constitution. The answer is untouchability. The next question is, dash is known as leader of Dalits. The answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He encouraged Dalits to send their children to school and colleges. He also urged Dalits to do different kinds of government job in order to move out of the caste system. The next question is, who is considered as the father of Indian Constitution? The answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26 November 1949 and it came to force on 26 January 1950. The next question is, when people of different religions have the freedom to practice their own religion without any discrimination is known as dash. The answer is secularism. India is a secular country. The government of India treats all religion equally. Here, people of different religion and faith have the freedom to practice and follow their own religion. Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share this video.